Good morning, students. This is our English class. In English, what we have done till now? We have learned these and those. Understand? And then we have done is and are. Understand? So, what I have explained? If anything in singular form, okay, means one thing, that singular thing near to you, then you will say this, okay? Singular and near. Okay, then what you will say? This. But when the thing is not singular, more than one, means plural. Okay, if it is in plural. Okay, then and again thing is near to you. It is in plural form and it is near to you. Then you will say these. What you will say? These. T-H-E-A-C. These. Okay. Now then, same thing. Singular. If the thing is in singular form but it is far from you, then you will use that. What you will use? That. It is far from you. Then you will use that. T-H-A-T. That. Okay? Understand? And same thing. If in plural form. Plural. Okay? And it is far from you. It is far from you. Then what you will say? You will say those. T-H-O-A-C. Those. Understand? Where you have to put these, those, this, that. Now one more thing you have to understand. What I have explained you. Where there is this and that. Beside that, to say that sentence in English, what we use is. It should be singular in number and you are saying this or that. Maybe near, maybe far, no problem. But beside this and that, what you will use? Is. Okay, if you write this, you will use is. And if it is that, it is also is. This is a chalk. This is a board. That is a fan. Okay? Next, if the thing is near or far but plural form, but it is in plural form, then you use these and those. What you use? These and those. So beside these, those, what comes? A-R-E-R. What comes? A-R-E-R. Okay? A-R-E-R. Understand? Like these are chalks. These are chalks. Next. These are chairs. Or those are benches. So you are saying these and those, and beside that you are using A-R-E-R. Understand? Let us see. Like if I write these dash kites, then what you will say? Then what you will say? These dash kites. These is there and it is in plural form. What you will say? A-R-E-R. Okay? Next, that is a fish. Okay? Okay? So here I have written that and it is singular number. And beside that what I will write? Is. I-S is. That is a fish. Okay. Then T-H-I-S this dash a banana. Okay. So this and here is one singular. So beside this what you will write? Is. This is a banana. Okay. And at last if I mean those are cakes. Okay. So for small cupcakes. Okay. Then what you will write beside those? A-R-E-R. What you will write? A-R-E-R. Understand? Okay. Now come to our next topic. Page number 31. Okay. Now how you have to answer the question answer. The things when things are in singular. Okay. See here. Heading is no. No means wrong. Okay. You don't want. Yes means yes. Correct one. Correct. And here it is written it. It. It we use when anything is in singular form. One. Singular. And here it is written is this a dash. Okay. Means every question will be he is this. Now everybody see in the book what it is. The picture of bag na. So question is in the question answer form. Is this a bag? Is this a bag? You know yes it is a bag. So what you will say? Yes. Yes. It is a bag. Okay. What you will say? Yes. It is a bag. So what is the question? Is this a bag? If somebody asks you by showing the is this a bag? Then what you will say? Yes. Answer will be yes. It is a bag. It is a bag. Okay. Next question. See here. See the picture. In your book, picture this you know this is a picture of a shirt. But now read the question. Is this a B-L-O-U-S-E blouse? Is this a blouse? No, no. Then what you will be answer? See what written in the book. No, it is not. It is not a blouse. It is a shirt. Okay? So like that you have to answer. How you will answer? Suppose same thing I have written. Is this a blouse? Is this a blouse? B-L-O-U-S-E blouse. Okay? Is this a blouse? Then you are saying that it is not a blouse, it is a shirt. So what you will answer? No, it is not a blouse. It is a shirt. What you will answer? You will write A as answer. No, no. It is not a blouse. Then what it is? It is not a blouse. Then what it is? What you will write? It is a It is a shirt. It is not a blouse. It is a shirt. Then see the another one. See the picture. Here it is banana. What is the question? Is this a mango? Is this a mango? No, na? So what you will say? No, it is not. It is not a mango. What will be the answer? It is a banana. Full answer. No, it is not a mango. It is a banana. Understand? So, we have done this question answer. Like that, if somebody, is this a board? You see that it is a board, na? So, what you, yes, it is a board. Okay. If somebody asks you, is this a chair? This a chair? No, na? What will be the answer? No, it is not a chair. It is a board. Okay? It is not a chair. It is a board. Understand? These are the questions related to singular number. Means picture will be one, and like this you have been asked what it is means. Is this or that? And if it is same thing, then you will say yes. Why yes? Yes, it is that. And if it is no, not correct, then you will say no, it is not. Understand? Understand everybody? So, today up to this. Okay? Go through it, learn it. Today's teaching over, students. Thank you.